Okay, in this demonstration, I'm going to introduce you to a program called Canva for creating graphics, and I'm going to keep it fairly basic. So when you first open up your account and Canva to get to it, and let me just show you down here, this is where we're going. Okay, and you can see the address there, but let me say it out loud, https://www.canva.com. Okay, so when you open it up, you have a lot of different options. There's a button on the top that allows you to see all the options, and they're categorized. And basically, I'm just going to show you how to design a very simple graphic. But I do want to scroll through and show you what some of these options are. So I am, just for the sake of simplicity, going to pick one called presentation. We're not going to be creating a presentation. I am just going in there to use one of those templates. Okay, and you notice there are a lot of free ones here. And so I'm going to just select this particular one. And it's opening up the presentation, but all I really need is this particular image and graphic. Now I could obviously change this, and I could upload a graphic I have from my own computer, but it's a really nice graphic. However, I want to change my text. So whatever I might want to write. And you'll notice we might need to, of course, change the size of that font. We can also change the color. Okay, that's, if I just grab that, it's not going to do the whole entire. Let me just grab it like that. And let's reduce the size of the font. Okay, that looks okay. Again, we can change the color. There's a box up here to change it. Those are various colors in the palette that you can use. And of course, we'd want to change the date to whatever the date might be of a special event that's occurring. Okay, now I am also going to show you, let's say you have another event coming up and you don't want to be bothered designing a whole new graphic. If you just click here, it's going to make a copy of that page. Now what I'm also going to show you is you can really change this image in here if you want to customize it. And so when I click that out, what Canva does is it leaves me a placeholder. Now I've uploaded some images from my computer already, and I'm just going to pick one for now and pop it in and see how well it works when I try to. There, it got nicely sized. Okay, and let's say this time we want people to come explore gardens. And let's change it to another color, maybe the font. Something that might possibly blend in nicely with that. I don't know how this is going to look, but let's try it. Okay, that's okay. And we can change the color of this as well. I'll change that to green. Okay, and I think you got the idea, and we could obviously change the date here. So you can see there's a lot to explore in terms of using the graphics qualities of this program and using some of the images that come with some of the templates, or popping in images that you have already uploaded. But also, let me show you how you would upload an image that you might have on your computer. You would simply go to upload your own image and find it and insert it. Of course, you could say I have a whole gallery of images I have inserted here already. So that's really a very basic. I'm also going to scroll through and show you some of the other options here on this side panel. This is a search box that will allow you to search for different images, photos, illustrations. Okay, so I'm going to hypothetically type in flower. And some of the images will be ones that you have to pay for, but they're usually not very expensive. Well, that's not too bad. We've got a whole bunch of nice free ones there. Okay, so let me try to now maybe make another, copy this page, and replace this image. I'm going to delete it. And let's pick one of these free ones and see how it looks. Okay, size it up in there. and it automatically pops it in for you. And of course, we would hypothetically change the text in here and so on. Again, let me continue with this menu here on the left, Elements. And this is, obviously self-explanatory. Text pops up, different types of text and fonts you can use. I'm going to just, for instance, take this kind of fun one. And I'm going to obviously delete some of the other text I already have here. Or I just play around with it a little bit. Let me enlarge it a little. Okay, let me delete this one so we have some room on here for it. Delete that one. Making some space here for it. Making some space here. And make some space down there. And make some, get rid of, that has not yet gone away. But if we click on the ends, we could sometimes just delete the whole element. Or just move it away. Just get it off the screen for now. And let me get that one. Okay, we don't need that. Oh, this is the one we want. Okay. So, obviously, you are invited to a flower show. Okay, so I think you got the idea of how this works. So I'll be providing with other tutorials about using Canva, but I just wanted to walk you through these little basics. Now when you're finished, you can share it, you can download it, or it'll be automatically saved in your Canva account once you open up an account.